Hello! Popping on quickly here to show a little idea using some previous Your Creative Studio vintage subscription stationery supply box. Wow, that was a mouthful. But these are the months that I've used the papers from: February 2023, April 2023, and May 2023. These are my extras. The packaging is loud. Let me just show you really quickly in my reference folio what those, and this is how I chose. I like to keep a little reference folio, and I was looking around and I wanted papers for a little quick journal that I was putting together, and I saw I thought these are pretty neutral, like you can write on, so I liked that. This is the February box, and I'm not doing any real embellishing beyond that for this particular project, which I will show you momentarily. Then no, not March, April, we had the art box, which also had, once I had chosen these colors, I thought, what else goes with it? And I thought these two, I think I pulled these two papers out of the art box, and then a few, this one and maybe that one of the chameleon box papers. So I still had some extras from those. Let me show you what I did with it. I had some scrap leather that was given to me, and I made a little journal cover for myself that I've been using for a long time. And then I thought, why don't I make some more for the market and have these available? And so I've cut this down. Now, I made a couple like standard size ones because I had enough for that, but this is not a standard size. It's about 4 by 4. Let's see. Whoops, that's backwards. And I need more light. I don't know what happened. I turned that off. The cover is 4.5 inches tall, and when it's all closed up, it's roughly 4.25 wide. And so that's, to my knowledge, that is not a standard size for these traveler's notebook type leather journal holders. So I wanted to make a little insert because my craft market is just, random people. It's not just all crafty people, and that is why I pulled out the Your Creative Studio papers, because I want to be using I have quite a stash. Wow, I've got a mouthful here. I want to use it up. So for this thicker one cover here, I used the sticker paper. Oh, I so miss that. They're not doing sticker paper anymore regularly, at least the last few months. But back in 2023, that was a regular inclusion. And so I pulled off the sticker paper, and then I used the art paper, which is somewhat thicker, on the back side. So this one is sticker paper from the artsy, was it April? I don't remember. Yeah, April 23 box. And then used the sticker adhesion to put this on top, which the two together makes a decently thick, outer layer to be able to take more of the brunt of going in and out. This one was probably the first one I did, so it's a little weird because I put a hole through the middle before I decided I actually wanted the closure to be over here. And so that's why it looks a little weird, but the other ones I did are a little less, there's not this thing. I don't know what you would do with this, but somebody will do something. And then on the outside I have this lovely piece here that is holding it together and making a nice charm. So there's a lot more elastic going on with this one, but that's okay. And I just used my long reach stapler to staple these in, and we'll just flip through and show you, and hopefully this inspires you in another way that you can use some of those papers if you've got a few boxes and they're starting to stack up on you. This is from that chameleon one. And so the nice thing is sometimes the colors just really coordinate well between the different months. These are 3 different months, and I think that they go well nicely together. And then I have just white pages on the other side, and I was going for something that's somewhat neutral so that whoever buys this can use it. This is the same one that's on the outside, just the paper. And for these inner pages, I used the lightweight kind of copy weight paper ones from those previous boxes. So this little journal has another spot you can stick another thing in. And again, tell me if you have any ideas for this little boo-boo section to make it seem more like intentional. Oh, I would love to hear that in the comments, because you know I do like to cover up the things that I do that aren't intentional, the boo-boos, the mistakes. This is my little quick journal using up your creative studio supplies from the past. Thank you for watching, and as always, have a wonderful and creative day. Bye!